Here is my 1990 Chevy 1-ton dually, four-wheel drive, 6.2 automatic with a turbo 400 transmission. I just picked up, threw some lettering on it. Got the plow push plates on it. I haven't hooked up the rest of it yet, but I'll get this set up for a 9-footer. Got the lettering up on the dump body there. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. It's got 90,000 miles on it, which isn't too bad. Frame's in pretty good shape. Could use a a cleaning up and maybe a repaint or whatever, but there's no structural issues or anything like that. Cab corners a little rusty, not too bad. Interior's pretty plain Jane. Said there's the 90,000 old style. Got some switches and whatnot. Here's the dump controller, which for some odd reason is opposite up and down. No big deal, switch that around at some point. But dump body works good. It's solid. It's had some welding work done in the past, but the floor is all solid. I'm gonna raise up those sideboards at some point and get it out on the road. Have used it a little bit. Got the side box done. I'm not sure what's in here. It's kind of a mess of stuff right now. But yeah, getting it cleaned up and looking decent. Put it out on the crew. Unfortunately, my trucks are not matching at this point. I've got some green and some white, and pretty much that's about it. But in the future, I will probably paint one or the other to stay with the green or the white. It's kind of the ones I've had. I've had some red set up in the past. Unfortunately, my trailer is still got a red sign, I believe, on it. In here, yeah, I still got the red on that, so it's nice to match. And in the future, I will be cleaning that up. I think image is a big part of landscaping. So, all right, any questions? Hit me up in the comments. Thanks. Just wanted to add this on here. I might as well fire it up. And I have a question if anybody's seen this before. I'll show you when I pop the hood here. It's got a tag on the valve cover mentioning something about a dyno test on this motor. I'm just wondering if it's possibly a remanufactured or if anybody knows anything about it. Go ahead and fire it up and pop the hood here. A couple of new batteries, new belt, a couple of other parts on it. Runs pretty good. But yeah, if anybody knows anything about that, dyno tested by Michael, it says on it, I believe. If you know anything about that, let me know. I'm just curious what that's all about. Thanks.